បងប្អូនពួកយើងមករកអ្នកលក់ផ្ទះចាបមកមិនសមញរកឃើញថ្ងៃនេះមករកឃើញគាត់ហើយបងប្អូនពួកយើងមករកអ្នកលក់ផ្ទះចាបមកមិនសមញរកឃើញថ្ងៃនេះមករកឃើញគាត់ហើយដើមផ្កានេះស្អាតអានេះអូនេះគឺជាផ្ទះគាត់បងប្អូនរកតអត់ឃើញ
That one has a floor across here. Up bottom one, and it's on the stake. Down the front pole, they can straight up to the tree. Most of the top ones are on stakes. One on the other side is similar to it. That's a big.
We got one in memo for my mom. Yeah, 'cause I want
And they
this.
eat on that one over there. They eat off from both sides.
This one here is cute too.
Up a little bit.
Oh, the horse. This one. Oh, the fairy. The fairy nice.
I like the squirrel or this one with the camper and the water pump.
Okay.
One of those. That one's not bad.
This one?
With the rabbits and the wishing well. Whatever. How are you? Good.
Oh, take this one then.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I like the wishing well too.
Okay. And the trailer house.
Yeah.
All the tires, the spare tires.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Got a problem there.
Yeah, I see that.
Downstate. Yeah. Yeah, we have a place just on the other side of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've had that for
Get that inside.
No, that front. Because we still have birdhouse in the backyard yet. And we still need a bird seat for it.
It's in the garage.
Oh. I think they get these, honey.
Yeah. Thank you. Enjoy the weekend.
The best we can with it.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
Here, give me that trailer.
Thanks again.
Okay, take it easy.
Thank you. Bye.
How you doing, sir? Good. How are you? Yeah, good. We stopped in 2 years ago. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'm still hanging here.
You're still hanging here. You want to tell them the story? She had made a video 2 years ago, and one of the people that watched her video, they saw it and they stopped in here a couple weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. And so it reminded us, like, we got to stop by. We went to Boyne yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Coming back, and we couldn't exactly remember where you were, but we were coming back just the right way. And just like, oh, there he is. We got
the
yeah, little chocolate if you can have that.
Thank
just
you.
a chocolate turtle and pecans in there.
okay.
Yeah, it'll get hot.
Yeah.
We've had it in the cooler, so it should be cool yet.
You know, you talking of that story, it's kind of a small world to have something like that happen.
But with the internet now, it's just so
I
small.
had some people last summer, from Florida stopped and bought a birdhouse. And they went home. I don't know what part of Florida they were in, but they went home and put the birdhouse up. And their neighbors come over and went, "Oh my gosh, I just love it. Where did you get that?" In a little town in Michigan.
Yeah.
And they're going, "Well, we're going on vacation, but we wasn't going into Michigan, but we can go that way." And 3 weeks later, their neighbors pulled in, and I'm going, "You gotta be kidding me, you know?"
That's very cool, though.
Yeah.
Huh.
I keep a map of the United States. I got a big map on a board.
Yeah.
And I keep track of all the states that I sold to. I lack one, and that's out on the East Coast,
The little itty teeny bitty
Rhode Island?
Rhode Island
Okay.
is the only one I haven't got, and that is so small. I don't
Yeah.
know if I'll.
Yeah. Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we rarely get out of Michigan anymore. we just like going north.
Yeah. I have. Yeah, being 80 and I live by myself and I'm on dialysis, and the only time I get away from here is I have to go to Traverse City to the dialysis center.
Okay.
But I do the dialysis at night, so I don't have to run up and sit for 8 hours.
Does anybody ever have any of these shipped anywhere?
I don't know. They're quite
They
heavy.
do it themselves.
They do it them, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I wonder how much that
I
would
have to
cost.
go to the UPS, I have to go to Cadillac, which is
Yeah.
25 miles,
Yeah.
20 miles, whatever. I don't know. They're quite heavy, so.
Yeah. Yeah. We had one with a little owl, and we had it outside, and we had some strong winds came, and it broke the owl, and it broke the light.
Oh, really?
So we're gonna replace it, I guess. But shoot, maybe if you'd take the base, maybe you could put something back on there. On the old one.
They get old, and
Yeah. I'm sure they
yeah.
yeah. We'll have to anchor it down a little bit better this next
Must
time.
have been a
around.
good storm.
Yeah, it was.
He sat out here 24/7.
Yeah.
I've
Yeah. They've never blown down? Yeah, I
I've
guess.
had this blow out in the road.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Oh, man.
It's on rollers.
Yeah.
To it, right out in the road.
Wow.
But it never tipped these over.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it-
tipped it right
Weird.
over. Was that earlier this year? Yeah, just 3-4 months ago. But we had some pretty strong winds.
Yeah.
We're in Holland.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I used to do some art shows down there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, years ago.
During the Tulip Festival?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had 15 years that I made toys,
Okay.
and I designed, something like 75. Not just a car with wheels on. I made complete working parts, everything, all heavy equipment, all semis, yeah, I used to
You don't do that anymore?
No, I should get into it, but the bandsaw blades that I used to do that went from $3 a piece to $25 a piece.
And everything's gone.
And they break constantly. And
Yeah.
the cost of building them I'd have to raise the price so much that, yeah. Pretty much all I got here building this stuff is, well, I got a bandsaw that I use some, but it's pretty much all table saw,
Yeah.
chop saw stuff.
Oh, which one did you like?
That one.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're gonna take this one today.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's really popular. I had
Okay.
last weekend I had 42 of these sitting here,
Oh wow.
and I had 8 of her made up with different stuff on her, and they're all gone.
Huh.
Well, there's one back there. Yeah,
Yeah.
real popular.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had we had an owl, and what was in the front? Oh, you want to get it?
I forgot.
Yeah, I forgot too.
Hard to say because I put
All kinds.
anything with everything. I got change if you need change.
I think it's okay.
Hold
Yeah.
that for a second. See if there's a 5 in there.
I mean, it's okay.
Okay.
We're just gonna
Give
give you,
40?
yeah, 4. No, that's not 40.
Yeah. I know, this is 40.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, okay. No, we're good. Wayne. It's
that's
Wayne,
a-
right?
Yeah. Boy, you got a good memory.
Well, we saw you up here too, but when I saw that,
No,
we're
no,
fine.
no.
Okay.
We're fine.
Thank
We appreciate ya.
I'm glad that we found you.
Yeah.
We drove.
When we came up yesterday, we come from this way, and we didn't come quite far enough this way.
Oh, okay.
Like, oh, maybe it was up this way. Didn't quite remember.
Well, now
But
I
this
got
time we came this way.
Yeah, got the street. Yeah,
Yeah, now she's got the street
in the video.
Yeah. Well, thank you so
Yeah.
much.
We might try and come up this way in the fall. We're just hearing about this sky bridge up in, where was that? Charlevoix?
Yeah.
Was that? Yeah, it's this huge suspension bridge that goes over this, I don't know if it's over a river, and you can just see all the trees and if you come in the fall, the colors, and yeah, I can't, it's 100-some feet in the air.
Down the Houghton Pile Dam. I don't know if you know where that is or not.
I know Houghton.
There's a Houghton Pile Dam 3 miles, 4 miles from there. Below that, on the Manistee River, they have hiking trails for miles and miles and miles. Here, a few years ago, they copied the Mackinac Bridge and put it across the Manistee River, just below the dam.
Okay.
And it's a walkway.
Dam.
Yeah. And
I love little things like that.
I could never, my wife has been dead for years, but I could never get her to go out on the bridge.
Yeah.
Because it moves a little bit, you know.
Yeah, she might squeak too.
But it's funny, you can walk over the river and stand there and watch the fish. Yeah.
There's so much right here in Michigan, you never really have to leave. There's so much to see.
I used to stay camping. We went camping all the time. I stayed on the Manistee River.
Yeah.
You know, there's so many places.
Yeah. Well,
Uh,
the sun's getting warm today.
yes, it is.
We did a little morel hunt this morning, but it was from like 9 to 11, so it was a little cool yet.
Too
But
bad.
yeah, get out here in the sun. Don't forget your chocolate.
I got it right here.
Don't let it melt.
Yeah, I'm gonna go eat it right now. Thank you so
Good to
much.
see you, sir.